For many packaged foods, maintaining quality is just as important post-production as it is on the manufacturing line. Mold and other spoilage microorganisms can develop during storage and distribution, reducing usable shelf life and affecting the consistency of the finished product. Calcium propionate is commonly used to manage this challenge. As an antimicrobial preservative, it helps inhibit mold and certain spoilage bacteria, making it particularly useful in products where maintaining quality over time is an important formulation objective. Its effectiveness, however, is shaped by the food around it. Formulation factors such as pH and moisture conditions can influence preservative performance, which means calcium propionate needs to be assessed as part of the complete product rather than considered in isolation. That same thinking extends beyond the formulation. Good manufacturing hygiene, suitable packaging, and appropriate storage all contribute to controlling spoilage. When these elements work together, manufacturers can build a more reliable preservation strategy from production through to distribution. In practice, this is most clearly seen in bread and other packaged baked goods, where mold control can be an important part of maintaining quality during storage. Calcium propionate may also be used in cheese and selected processed foods where permitted, depending on the product, formulation, and applicable market requirements. For this reason, choosing calcium propionate is only one part of developing an effective preservation system. The most suitable approach will depend on the food system itself, as well as how it is formulated, processed, and stored. Learn more at mazda.com.sg and contact us.